Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to play Fable on PC. First, understand that Fable Anniversary is the definitive PC version, offering a beautifully remastered experience. It brings the classic adventure to modern systems with enhanced visuals and smoother gameplay. This makes it incredibly accessible for new and returning players alike, ensuring a fantastic journey through Albion. To get started, navigate to a reputable digital game store like Steam or GOG. Once there, simply use the search bar to find Fable Anniversary. After locating the game, proceed with your purchase. The download will then begin automatically, typically requiring a stable internet connection and a few minutes of your time. Before installing, quickly check your PC's specifications to ensure it meets the minimum requirements for Fable Anniversary. The game generally requires about 10 gigabytes of free hard drive space. Once downloaded, simply run the installer. Follow the straightforward on-screen prompts to complete the installation process, which usually takes less than 15 minutes. With the game installed, launch Fable Anniversary directly from your chosen digital platform's library. Take a moment to adjust the graphics and control settings to best suit your preferences and hardware. Once everything is set, you are ready to embark on your heroic journey. Explore the vast world of Albion and shape your legend.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.